so much. I want to introduce the band playing the guitar. And last night somebody came to the show and they said they loved watching him so much because he just was the music. That is Anthony, the Music, DaCosta. On the drums, you know what? He's also the music. I'm in a band with two guys who are the music. He's the drums. Playing beautiful drums, beautiful drummer. He's got an amazing head of hair and beads. And flair.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
It's an office space.
Okay. Oh, cool. Sorry, I didn't get that. That's Steve, the flair, Mr. We are so happy to be here. It's just so nice to look out and see all of your smiling faces. Like, I can't even tell you how nice it is. It's just a real treat to be here. Thanks, Jim. I've been looking forward to this gig so much. Last time I was here, it was sort of a hurricane. I don't know if you guys remember that. It was really crazy storm. And the show went on, and we did not die. And actually, all I really remember from that night, though, was the amazing dinner that I had. And so that's what I was most looking forward to, was coming back. It's hard on the road, folks. Last night for dinner, I had like a really sad, like hummus plate with like a scoop, like an ice cream scoop of bad hummus and 3 pieces of cucumber and like 76 moldy olives.
My coleslaw, and we're not complaining. We're not complaining.
No. It was great.
I have to say, my coleslaw was just poured on the plate. It was just still in the shape of the cup. You know? That's when you know it's good.
Was that like a coleslaw jam you were doing just then?
Yeah, those like backstage thing tools.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we call that coleslaw. Let me tell you, man.
Well, but you know what? Not here in Norfolk, Virginia. We're playing a bunch of songs from my new record, In the Magic Hour, and that last one was called The King of All Birds, and here's one called Detour Sign. ribbons you tied to the trees. The dark